You did.
I just saw 2 birds. They were like this close to my head.
Oh my goodness.
This close. And I almost went. Here's the phone. Whoa!
They are really out this morning, aren't they?
I just walked in for him.
Chili?
Yeah.
What'd you ask me if they were doing? The birds?
They were this close to my head and I almost went.
Yeah, but what did you ask me if they were doing? If they were...
What if they were like... what if they were like swoosh and landed on my head and then just like stayed there so I could catch one. I have no bird in my hand. I'm so angry. Oh.
Where'd they go?
Are you putting this on YouTube?
I've never put anything on YouTube, but we could try.
And you could call it the bird show.
The bird show? Well, there's no birds. It's the Gracie show, because there's no birds. But you might be walking around in Chi-Chi's pee-pee and poo-poo.
Ah! Ow.
Did you pee-pee and poo-poo out there, Chi-Chi? Chi-Chi!
I'm not going to show my face until you get off that thing.
Gracie, don't be bossy. I'm looking for birds. Where'd they all go?
This one. They're above the roof. What? I'm not opening my mouth.
Why?
I'm not opening it until breakfast.
Sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Good.
I'm going in the house.